Hi everyone, welcome to Mysore Saree Udyog. We are located in Commercial Street, Bangalore. For online shopping, you can visit our website www.mysoresareeudyog.com. To book an appointment for video call shopping, you can contact us on WhatsApp number given below. Today's video, I am going to show you some of our Wrinkle Crepe traditional border sarees which are ranging around 5,000. So let's check on some of our collections. Here's a pink color, a pure Wrinkle Crepe silk saree with a contrasting red color, a mango design border running throughout the saree, and here's a very simple gold crush pallu, and this saree comes with a running blouse with a border. So let me show you a few more colors in this similar design. Here's a navy blue color with a contrasting red border. Here's a grey color with a contrasting red border. Here's a dark purple color with a contrasting red border. Here's a peach color with a contrasting red border. Very few collections I've shown you in this video, but we have lots of collections in these type of Wrinkle Crepe contrasting mango border sarees at our store. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, you can subscribe our YouTube channel Mysore Saree Udyog. You can follow us on our Insta and Facebook.